Very nice. Big box. Looks good. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Awesome, man. Yeah, hey, could you tell me your name? What's in here?
Marquis.
Marquis? Okay.
I follow all your YouTube stuff, man.
I do a lot of YouTube videos.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Could you tell me your equipment, name, everything in here?
I got 4 watts, 15 punishes.
Okay.
I got a Bama 7K.
Okay.
4 10s, PRVs on a Terra 3K.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Did you build the box?
Yeah, I built a box.
Nice. I'll have to see the port afterward.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks good though. Tuned low. Definitely plays the lows.
Yeah, they're definitely
very
low
nice.
lows.
What do you wire to on the amp?
Oh, one.
One of them?
Yeah, it's a 2-on bender though, so but I mean it does it though.
Yep. Hey, can I see the back? Very nice. Big box. Looks good.
That's my first time doing it.
And you got some space between the hatch, so that gives you the output around. That makes sense. So you're not squeezing it. Looks good. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got in Marquis System. He was showcasing at the Summer Showcase Show in Jacksonville, Florida area. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already. Did a really good job. And it's a pretty loud Suburban. Lots of room, back seats, and some room in the back. I didn't really get a full walk around on the amplifier close-up view, so sorry about that. But I like the unique style of his port. Maybe could have been a bigger port area, but he got it to work for 4 15-inch subs to get this loud. The box is a lot bigger than it looks in the picture and video, but I didn't find out the exact cubic space of it, but I could tell it was playing into the mid to 20 hertz range really well during the demo. And if you notice how the subwoofers are up, port back, most optimal for SUV systems for anybody looking at ideas. So having your subwoofers mounted like this and your port back is great. Port area is a little bit on the small side. Probably could have opened it up a little bit or done a bottom slot port. And having the subwoofer box line right at the window line helps with SPL competition. But this is a total of 7,000 watts on 15-inch subs. We're getting to the base demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on and enjoy daily videos. Awesome.
It does.
All right. Yeah, I love it.
My baby mama. You gotta get to a kill if you wanna be the sick. You gotta go on the trip and we sit shots at the net. I gotta keep on the bed and be pressed in for the bed. If you see that CIA, you'll see the headshots in the bed. On the bed. Honest, those shots in the bed.
Bullshit off my hit the block today. We still played it yesterday and counter rolling off today. In the concrete on the block. Thought I show my face.
Like tumblers on the moon, so you know I'm not so cool. I'll be waving guns up on the internet, boy, that they used to know we ripped that murder gang and run up and walk out there.
To the hill, right out the jacuzzi, neck to the shower. Walking in the family, smoking elbows in the owl. Big shiesty for president. I told y'all that the world was out. Need to cause some beef with me, 3 people, he grabbed the You gotta get you a kill. If you wanna be the set, you gotta go on the drill. Then we sit down at the net. Hey, I gotta keep on your bed. Refresh to learn from the bed. If you see that C8 in your city, it's shots in the bed. You know it's shots at the bed. Honest, those shots in the bed. You gotta get you a kill. If you wanna be the set, you gotta go on the trail. And we sit shots at the net. Heads I gotta keep on your bed. Refresh to learn from the bed. If you see that C8 in your city, it's shots in the bed. I show my face. Sometimes I don't need a reason.
Thank you for the demo, man. Thank you for the demo. Thanks for watching, man.